All right, we've got a really cool project. We're gonna go a little bit retro, but we're gonna make it really cool today and now. So, usually I rip right into what I'm doing, but I'm gonna explain to you a little bit more. Today we're gonna do a record crate, but not only a record crate. I've got it right here drawn up. Just so you guys know, I always like to render first. We're gonna use beautiful walnut wood. We're gonna use an acrylic plate on the front with really cool standoffs. So we've got a record crate, and I'm gonna do a little bit of framing on that, and we're gonna use some slats all the way across. All right, we've got our slats cut, a total of 22 at 15 inches long. 5 on one side, 5 on another, 6 on one side, 6 on another. We're gonna make 4 panels to create the box and then bring the 4 panels together. So I've got all of these slats. I could choose to use a biscuit joiner, but it takes way too much time and it's a lot of different pieces to put together. So I'm actually going to use 1 cap piece on the bottom and the top. Nail them all in with glue that will hold the piece together, and then I can move on to the next one. When I've got 4 sides put together, we have a box. When we have a box, we'll put the bottom on, and then we almost have a record crate. All right, so we have all 4 panels made. I ran it through the drum sander, and now we're ready to put it together. And you'll start to see it come to shape. So now we're gonna make the upper box, and then we'll go ahead and cut the wood to fill the bottom. All right, well, we have a crate, right? This will be the front or the back, where we're gonna put our little standoff with the acrylic. And then this is where I wanna do a handle. I have purchased a template for handles. This is an acrylic template. You can use a router with a router bit and a bearing at the bottom. You see this little part here? That's called a bearing. That rides along the edge of the template so I can cut the wood. It won't go any further than the template, and we can actually make a copy. I'm at my 1.5 inch mark on the top. I'm gonna head and line it out in case my acrylic moves in any direction. I can still come back to home base. All right. We are on to the last step, and we're going to install this part on the bottom. So it'll go under here. And then we'll be able to wedge the plexiglass between the top half. So there you have it, a wood record crate. crate. A little bit retro, but a little bit now. We use standoffs and an acrylic glass to create a little display case for our albums as they're playing. I put handles in it using a really cool template and a router. Really basic and easy techniques. Just take your time, safety first. For this and more, follow us at familyhandyman.com.